How's it going? Today I'll show you how to get the Xtreme HD IPTV app to your Firestick or Android TV in 2025. And the first step you gotta take is of course getting the app called Downloader to your Firestick. And you can actually get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. Just go to search on the Firestick and start typing Downloader in your search bar. And as you can see, Downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. So click on Downloader, and that's the app which you need to get to your device. But after you got Downloader, it's not over yet, because you still have to set it up. To do so, you will need to go to the settings, so click this little button with a gear icon, scroll down and go to My Fire TV. Let's open that app. And now from here, what you have to do is turn on developer options for the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry, because it's pretty easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote and do it fast. So let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on developer options, then go to install unknown apps, and from here all you have to do is locate Downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So now we go back to the list of apps on the Firestick, open it up, and there's the Downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your Fire TV. But before actually using Downloader, there is one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they are super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. So let's say we'll connect to Belgium right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of the video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Firestick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your device. There it is. Locate Downloader, open it up on your Fire TV. And now here, all you have to do is open this little search bar right here and start entering the code. So the code will be 524583. So once again, it's 524583. That's the whole code you have to enter. Then just click on Go. And while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. As well as please hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot. And now the download of the file has started. Usually it doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your connection speed, as the file is quite big, and if you got a slow connection, then it might take up to a minute to download the application to your Firestick device. Then click on Install and just wait until Xtreme HD IPTV app gets fully installed to the Fire TV stick. And after the installation is finished, do not click on Open yet, instead press on Done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on Delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default your Firestick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. And now when we go to the list of apps on your device, here at the bottom you will find the Xtreme HD IPTV application. So enjoy the app and don't forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online.